Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe dealership. Today I wanted to let you know a little bit more about this fantastic Jaguar F-Pace large SUV that is now joining our approved used stock. But this is no ordinary F-Pace. This particular one is this amazing Chequered Flak edition, here with a 2-litre i4 diesel engine and finished in Eiger grey metallic colour. In terms of equipment, there will be plenty for you to enjoy. Starting with the front, xenon headlights with signature LED daytime running lights will complement the look, as well as the Black Pack edition will give you various blacked out accents throughout the car, such as the front grille. Being an approved used vehicle will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, as well as 7-day driver insurance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side, optionally upgraded 20-inch 5-split spoke gloss black alloy wheels will really complement the overall look, and this car even features optional panoramic sunroof with a tilt and sliding function, which is great for the summer months ahead. If that wasn't enough, sliding side steps have also been fitted to the car, which automatically retract and open with the door itself. Round the side, you can see here, privacy tinted windows will complement the overall look of the vehicle, and passengers in the rear can enjoy a roomy cabin offering loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3. Black ebony leather with light oyster contrasting stitching will be on offer, as well as 2 ISOFIX child anchor points, center armrest with cup holders, all underneath the natural sunshine thanks to that panoramic sunroof. Moving towards the rear, LED taillights will also be available with the vehicle, and for added convenience, the boot space is power opening and closing to reveal a large space. Easily able to take 4, maybe 5 large suitcases. Additionally, there is going to be netting available with shopping hooks and tether hooks, as well as a 12-volt socket, and for more space you can fold down the rear seats in a 40-20-40 split seat, and there is even a space-saver spare wheel on offer. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also reveal a premium offering. Digital dashboard is available, as well as a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and that panoramic sunroof really illuminates the cabin nicely. Front seats are also electrically adjustable and offer additional side lumbar support. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Jaguar F-Pace, there's going to be plenty for you to enjoy. Soft touch materials with stitching across the front dashboard will be available, as well as contrasting door inserts as well. Electrically adjustable windows and wing mirrors are on offer, as well as an upgraded Meridian sound system, which is great for music lovers amongst you. Multifunction steering wheel can operate heated steering wheel functionality, as well as cruise control and lane keep assist, whilst the left side will operate Bluetooth and trip information. The digital dashboard offers high-definition graphics with crisp illumination. Driver mode selectors come with bespoke rain, ice, snow modes for difficult conditions, economy prioritizing efficiency, comfort will give you best of both worlds, and the dynamic mode is for those of you who want a sportier feel. Additionally, various information and display settings will allow you to optimize the look of your layout of the display, and you can, for example, change it for a more minimalistic one-dial look, or even full widescreen satellite navigation mapping, which is great to have in your peripheral vision. Additionally, various vehicle settings are also on offer, as well as vehicle information and source information for all your media and radio stations. Driver assistant modes will feature city emergency braking with a speed limiter function and even traffic sign recognition camera. Moving towards the center console, the large 10-inch Touch Pro system will have all your entertainment needs covered. Featuring various information and options across multiple screens, it will come with the likes of satellite navigation mapping for UK and Western Europe and supports 3D and 2D views. Additionally, Bluetooth telephony pairing process is also incredibly easy to follow, whilst radio stations will benefit from full AM, FM and DAB digital radios. Climate control is also available with heated front seat technology with a 3-stage setting for both the front driver and the passenger. Other great features will also include the benefit of both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces, with even an integrated web browser allowing you to surf the net for any needed information. Other great features will also include the ASI suite for your all-surface information, which controls the information for your 4-wheel drive technology. To help with parking, Reverse parking sensors and front sensors will also be available as well, fully complemented by a rear view camera with guidelines. There is even a wide angle view available, which is great to have when pulling out of difficult spots. Moving further down the center console, easy to operate 2-zone climate control system is further complemented by a heated front windscreen, which is ideal for frosty mornings. Plenty of storage for your cup holders, and the deep center armrest will even house additional USB connectors to keep your devices topped up, with that panoramic sunroof featuring an electric sunshade blind to reveal natural light, and the sunroof itself offers both a tilt function to let a little bit of air in, or a fully retracted sliding function to give you a breezy feel of the cabin. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace Chequered flag that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 445 200, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.